Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. Before going to start my session, I would like to say something. Because of very busy schedule, I could not make a video for the last 4 days. In this video, I am going to talk about antonyms. Antonyms are the words which are opposite in meanings. Antonyms are the words which are opposite in meaning. So many examples today I have brought for you. Number 1, above, below. Above, ऊपर, below, नीचे. Accept, reject. Accept, कबूल करना. Reject, इनकार करना. She has accepted my proposal. She has accepted my proposal. He has rejected his proposal, or he has rejected her proposal. So this is accept and reject. Accept, कबूल करना. Reject, इनकार करना. Arrive, depart. Arrive, पहुंचना. Depart, रवाना होना. You might have noticed many times, or you might have seen many times, the flight timings and railway timings. On the railway station you might have seen the railway timings, and in the airport you might have seen the timing of flights. So arrival time and departure time. Arrival and departure. Arrive, पहुंचना. Depart, रवाना होना. Beautiful, ugly. What is the opposite of beautiful? Ugly. Beautiful, ugly. Beautiful is खूबसूरत and ugly means badsurat. She is very beautiful. She is very beautiful. So this is beautiful. Beautiful, खूबसूरत. What is the opposite of beautiful? Ugly. Next one, start and end. Start, शुरू करना. End, ख़त्म करना. Today I have started my work very early. So this is to start and end. Start, शुरू करना, end, ख़त्म करना. Next one, bright and dull. Bright. What is the meaning of bright? Zahin. And dull, kun zahin. So bright, what is the opposite of bright? Bright, opposite of bright is dull. So bright, zahin, and dull, kun zahin. So we can say that Rahul is a very bright student. Okay. राहुल बहुत ज़हीन लड़का है. Next one, broad, narrow. Broad means चौड़ा, or narrow means तंग. Okay, so there is a very narrow lane. Hardly we can pass through it. So narrow means तंग. What is the opposite of narrow? Broad. Broad means चौड़ा and narrow means तंग. Next one, cheap and expensive. Cheap. What is the opposite of cheap? Expensive. Expensive and cheap. Cheap means sasta and expensive means महंगा. Okay, so this wristwatch, my wristwatch is very expensive. My wristwatch is very expensive. So this is expensive. Opposite of expensive, cheap. Cheap means sasta. Expensive means महंगा. Next one, clean and dirty. Clean. What is the opposite of clean? Dirty. So clean means साफ, सफाई, साफ रखना, clean. Dirty, गंदा. So we can make many sentences. We should keep our surroundings clean so that we can live, healthy and fine life. Okay. Next one, clean. Very clean means साफ रखना. Dirty means गंदा. So opposite of clean is dirty. Next one, clever and foolish. Clever is, what is the meaning of clever? होशियार. The opposite of clever, foolish. बेवकूफ. बेवकूफ, foolish. Clever, होशियार. Okay. She is very clever. She is very clever. Cold and hot. Cold means ठंडा. Hot means गर्म. Hot means garam. Cold means thanda. So you know very well what is the opposite of cold? Hot. Okay. Next one, difficult and easy. What is the meaning? Difficult. Opposite of difficult? Easy. Difficult means mushkil. Easy means आसान. Okay, this task is very easy for me. That this task is not difficult for me. This task is very easy for me. Okay, teaching English is very easy for me, and teaching French is very difficult for me. Next one, dry and wet. Dry is, dry. What is the meaning of dry? Sukha. So what is the opposite of dry? Wet. Wet means bhiga hua ya gila. Gila. In our national language we say gila. So dry land. This land is very dry. So dry land and wet land. Okay. So here, agriculture is not possible in dry land. Next one, forget, remember. Forget, what is the meaning of forget? Bhulna. Remember, yaad rakhna. Remember, yaad rakhna. So forget, what is the opposite of forget? Remember. Okay. John always forgets his mobile at home. Okay. And I remember each and everything before I start my college. Before going to start my college, I remember and keep everything, all the documents and everything I keep, and I start for college. So remember, yaad rakhna, and forget, bhul jana, bhulna. Next one, friend and enemy. Friend, what is the meaning of friend? Dost. Opposite of friend, enemy, dushman. Okay, I don't have enemies. I have lots of friends. I don't have enemies. I have lots of friends. Friend means dost. Opposite of friend, enemy. Enemy means dushman. Okay, hard and soft. What is the meaning of hard? Hard means sakht. Soft means naram. So you can say that the cake is very soft. The cake is very soft. Okay. Now next one, heavy and light. Heavy, what is the opposite of heavy? Light. Heavy means wazni. Light means halka. So I have example here. So this smiley ball, you can see this, what is this in my hand? This is a smiley ball. It is very light in weight, and you can see I have a dumbbell in my hand. It is very heavy compared to this smiley ball. So this smiley ball is very light in weight. This dumbbell is very heavy. Okay, so these two we can take the example. Heavy, what is the meaning of heavy? Wazni. Light, halka. Okay, increase and decrease. Increase is बढ़ना या इजाफा होना. Increase, what is the opposite of increase? Decrease. कम होना. Decrease, कम होना. Increase, इजाफा होना. Junior, senior. Junior, what is the opposite of junior? Senior. Junior, छोटा, और senior, बड़ा. Senior, बड़ा. रुतबे में सीनियर बड़ा और जूनियर छोटा. Lazy, industrious. Lazy means sust. Industrious or hardworking, we can say industrious or we can say hardworking. Mehanti. I like people who are very hardworking or industrious. I don't like lazy people. Lazy, sust, industrious or hardworking, mehanti. Opposite of lazy, industrious. Opposite of lazy, hardworking. Next one, lend. Opposite of lend, borrow. So lend, udhar dena. Okay, I don't want to take any money from anybody. I don't want to, take or borrow. I don't want to borrow money from others. This is lend, udhar dena. Borrow, udhar lena. Borrow means udhar lena. Lend means udhar dena. Okay. Loose and tight. Loose, what is the opposite of loose? Tight. Okay. This trouser is very loose for someone. Okay. Tight, this is very tight trouser. This is very loose t-shirt. We can say loose, dhila, tight, tang. Okay. Major, what is the opposite of major? Minor. Major means ahem, bada. Minor means mamuli or chota. Okay, so here major and minor. What is the opposite of major? Minor. Major means ahem, bada, and minor means mamuli or chota. Next one, modern or ancient. Modern, what is the meaning of modern? Naya. What is the meaning of ancient? Purana. So modern, what is the opposite word for the modern? Ancient. Modern and ancient. Naya means modern and ancient means Purana. Next one, praise and blame. Next one, praise. Praise, what is the opposite of praise? Blame. Blame. Praise means तारीफ करना. Praise means तारीफ करना. Praise means तारीफ करना. Opposite of praise, blame. Blame means इल्ज़ाम लगाना. Blame means इल्ज़ाम लगाना. Next one, last one, strong. What is the opposite of strong? Weak. Strong. Strong, ताकतवर. Weak, कमज़ोर. Okay. So if you want to be healthy and strong, we should eat proper, healthy and nutritious diet. Okay. So strong, what is the meaning of strong? ताकतवर. And opposite of strong is weak. Weak means कमज़ोर. Okay. So these are the what I can say, words which are very useful in our day-to-day life. So antonyms are the words which are opposite in meanings. Antonyms are the words which are opposite in meaning. So these are the few examples which I have brought for you. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you very much for watching my videos.